Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must be logged into your Fortnite account and have the game updated. Once done, check the in-game item shop and your current quests because its complicated often rotates or ties to an event. You should also verify you have enough V-Bucks or the materials needed to unlock it. This avoids interruptions. Now head to the locker and the item shop tab because immediate action prevents missing limited-time windows or challenge-based unlocks. You proceed to the middle steps. Locate the emote in the item shop, battle pass rewards, or event reward screen. Once there, make sure to read any linked challenges. Complete them as listed because unlocking often requires challenge progress rather than a straight buy. After finishing steps, purchase or redeem using V-Bucks or the specified unlock token, and immediately equip the emote in your locker. Make sure to watch timers and confirm the transaction so the emote registers to your account. You finish by equipping the emote in locker and testing it in a creative island or the lobby to ensure animations load properly. If the emote doesn't appear, first restart the game client and wait 10 minutes. Sync issues often resolve that way. If it's still missing, verify your purchase history and save data. Ensure the transaction completed. If funds were deducted but the emote never unlocked, contact Epic support with the transaction ID so they can trace and restore the item for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.